Hey guys, Amberoo here, and I've got me another unboxing video. Yep, I'm back with another unboxing video, and it's another Zbox. This one is actually last month's box, October's. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to open it until now, what with the MCM Expo and everything. So, yeah, this one is a bit late. Yeah, I know. Sorry. If you want to know more about Zbox, I'll put the link in the description box below. But yeah, I'm gonna open it now. It is DC themed, and let's see what's inside. Yeah. Cool. Oh, okay. Alright. That is freaking sweet for a design. And by the looks of it, oh my god. Okay. This is the first thing that comes out. Holy crap. Oh, that is so nice. And it's a white t-shirt. It's no darkness or anything going on, which is awesome. Oh! Okay, so this is cute. I'd like the original Harley. But no, this is a pretty cute. This is cute. I don't really know what else to say about it apart from it's cute. Oh, she's got a little fuzzy nose. That's amazing. Look at that fuzzy nose. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a Batman projection torch. That is so cool. I can try. It's really cool because you can actually see the logo on my camera lens, but you can't actually see it. Oh my god, I'm gonna need to try that out. Pocket-sized torch that projects the bat signal. That is freaking cool. Okay, this is the best thing. T-shirt was cool. Everything else would probably be cool, but this is the winner of the box this time. Actually, I don't know. No way. Oh my god. Okay, actually, I don't know. I've got some Superman socks and they've got little capes on them. I don't know which one I like now. Batman versus Superman. Oh, what else is in here? Ooh. What? Oh, damn. This is like, oh. Oh, okay. This is like one giant poster. I can't actually fit into the screen. That's actually pretty sweet. And it's all purple and black. That's the best. Dr. Harley and Francis Quinzel. She's only 5'4". No way. Okay, that's an alright poster. If I don't put it up, I might give it to someone who loves Harley Quinn more than I. That's a decent poster. And the last thing in the box is the Suicide Squad DC Universe Rebirth comic issue 1. Ooh. Ha! No way. Product placement on the first page straight up. Well, that wasn't such a bad box. That was okay. I think my two most favourite things has to be, like I said before, the Batman little laser pen and the Superman socks with the capes. They got capes on! How can you not like them? And of course the magazine that comes in the Zboxes as per. Artwork of the t-shirt on the front, which is really cool. I'm not in this though. Where? And this time around it's got Harley Quinn and Joker makeup. Get the look pages, which seems pretty sweet. So yeah, all in all, this box has been okay. I think because I'm not a massive DC fan, that I don't find everything in this box like, oh my god. But they are cool things. They are worth the Zbox money. Especially, I'm gonna keep going on about these socks. They're pretty super. But it was a good box. I'm pleased with it. Next month is DC versus Marvel. Oh my goodness. Who shall win? That was this last month's box. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Out of all the things in this box, what was your favourite item? I mean, it's gonna have to be either this or these, like, there's no question. Did you get last month's Zbox, and what did you think of it? If you like this video, give it a like, and check out the rest of my other videos, and if you like them, possibly maybe give me a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around.